Hello to all my friends that follow us. Welcome to the new project. I did the inside of a Snapdragon 9-meter boat, sailing boat. I did the outside, cockpit for seating. I did the front of the boat where I made a new bed. Go ahead and have fun. So the finished bed. Nice. So I'm fitting in the sides here. Oh, that's the work. There's all that stuff here. Well, it's not so easy to work in here, but we'll do it. So, oops. Okay, so the sides are more or less fitted in. There's a little gap, but I'm gonna make some nice stripes of wood here. They're gonna be dark, this is all gonna be white. And here on the top, installing a rail. I'm gonna install one here, and then I'm gonna close this as well, just with screws at the side. Alright, no, it's getting there. Here, nice opening. Here, nice opening. All good. Not bad. It's okay. Well, I'm just doing the best with the less I have. I don't know, around there. Yeah. Because the owner, she doesn't want to spend a lot of money on the wood. Well. Hey guys, so I'm in the Varadero now, and I'm painting the nice wood strips which come on the side. Antique look, antique color. And it's beech wood. Beech. It's not the best for the boat, but you have to go cheap. Good morning. So, it's getting there. All nice and white. So now we're gonna put these ones on, and then the floorboards, or the bed, and that's it. There we go. So here we go. This is how it's gonna look. Yep. Looking nice. Other side as well. And then we're gonna put some varnish. It's gonna look so nice. So both sides are finished. Looks good. Yup, that looks good. The owner likes it as well. She loved it and was really smiling. So if the customer is happy, I'm happy. Here we go. I'm almost finished. I want to show you. It looks nice. Here we go. It looks nice. Looks really good.
Wow. Fantastic, fantastic.
Mm.
Very nice.